Our game officials are Jay Castroverde, Manuel Binondo, and Richard De La Cruz. Sport referee is Brian Ramirez. Basilan also has added some pieces during the free agency and trade window. One of them, as you mentioned already, Ralph Robin. John Wilson hits a free. Ken Mocon, they swing it. John Wilson on the other side. Still no problem. Back-to-back threes from John Wilson.
No, bilang coach, yun ang gusto mo eh. If your leader is the one leading everything that way, it makes everything easier because all of the other players will just follow suit. So that's something, if you are Imus, you have to be careful on, and playing the zone that is going to be very dangerous.
Great anticipation by Dylan Darvin playing the passing lanes, and it leads to a layup in transition by Jetro Sombero. John Wilson, stop and pop three, no. Fight for the rebound, napunta kay Grimaldo. Corner pocket three, Ralph Robin, book it.
Really the best zone buster is the outside shot. Wala pang inside points etong Basilan, but if you're able to make the outside, then that's not going to be a problem for you.
Oh, what a pass! Finding Bobby B was John Wilson. MoneyPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Oh, gets sabi mo. Kasi ako dinirap din ako dyan.
Diba? Iba yung ano eh, iba yung ibang mastery yun eh. Ganda nung pato doon ni John Wilson.
Usually, pag outlet nga, dalawang kamay din eh. Ralph Robin with a floater.
Substitutions on the big, Jervy and si Montuano. Now, these guys can really shoot it from the outside, so that's something that they have to be careful on.
Montuano with a steal. Basilan on the run. Robin inside the paint. From the baseline, Jervy Cruz will score.
They're going to stretch it out. They're going to shoot from the mid-range. And that's going to give a hard time on the zone of Imus. What a move by Dylan Darvin.
Player from Imus showing his stuff early in the first quarter. John Wilson, catch and shoot. Lista mo na yan.
And mukhang gumana talaga yung warm-up nito ni John Wilson. Tansyado ang court here early on.
Nakalusot naman ulit si Dylan Darvin. Very empowering na meron kang mga veterano na pwede rin magbigay ng input and you have coaches na open, no? It goes both ways, really.
Actually, it's a deep team. If you look at the lineup, if you look at the consumption, one guy who can be a rim protector. So meron lang mga onte, but if they can make it work, especially let's say this outside shooting of Basilan, they can find that as a threat moving forward. They were number one before this loss, and all of a sudden, ginulat sila ng Basilan and was able to just, what a basket. So gonna be a 4-point play opportunity for Owens.
Jervy Cruz snags down another rebound. 2 minutes gone by, 14-point lead. Gawin mo ng 16. Melencion. Pasa sa ilalim, Marquez, supalpal inabot kay Jervy Cruz, but sticking with it. Getting the put back. They have Ken Mocon, Mac Talio, Makoy Marcos, Bobby Balucanag, and John Wilson. Shot fake, got Marquez up in the air. That's the opening he needs to fire and score.
Parang hindi lumalamig, he sat on the bench for about 5 to 8 minutes etong si John Wilson, but on the first shot, he makes it right away. On the other end, Jan Salazar. That he was touched by Rios on the back.
Rios receives it from JP Melencion, and finally, an assist from JP.
Especially right now that Jervy Cruz is not inside, so walang middle threat. Pero pumapasok yung mga outside shots nitong Basilan. Alam niya na off the flyby, it's gonna be a quick make for John Wilson, but wow!
Sidestep, one-legged three-pointer. Parang siya lang ang nakakagawa niyan dito, si JP Melencion.
Siya lang.
Bobby Balucanag, cross-court pass. Naagaw ni Balong Marquez. Counter steal, Mac Talio goes all the way for the layup.
Pinaka-comfortable si Mac Talio, the open court, off the turnover. He's been continuing to work on that game. When he was playing for Bataan, it wasn't really his range.
Backing down Joseph Marquez. Makoy Marcos, another free. Back-to-back triples from Makoy Marcos. Lechon laban kay Wilson. Dalawang nagtapatan dati lang. Ba? Na isa ni JP, si John. Ralph Robin swishes in the trifecta.
Para dito sa Basilan, 8 points in total for Ralph Robin.
Na ilusot ni Noel Santos yung layup.
John Wilson was MPBL MVP in Season 3, as we have mentioned so many times, at 32 years old. You mentioned earlier, he is now 39. He is again in the running for MVP early in the season. So ang sinasabi niya sa akin, he treats each season as a completely new one. No? So I asked him, etong season na to, John, sa dami ng mga wingmen, no, na talaga namang napakagaling. So gusto pa daw niya makakita ng marami pang mga wingmen na pwedeng lumapit sa mga numero niya dito sa MPBL. Ken Juanito.
Maraming salamat, Mika. Kalaban na nila yan when they went up against San Juan in Bataan. It speaks volumes to the competition na meron ngayon. But it also speaks volumes to him rising up to the challenge despite him being much older than those aforementioned guys.
I am still here. I am still one of the best. He knows who the good guys are. He knows who the rising talents are. But he also knows that he wants to compete with them at the highest level.
Isa yan sa mga players na kabisado niya yung mga career high niya. Career high niya dito sa MPBL, which was 44. Alam naman natin kung gaano to ka-potent na scorer.
Yes. Actually, that's the same story right now. He's one of the lead guys. Wow!
John Wilson.
But John Wilson also with a terrific third quarter that we're watching.
Total now of 18 points. Comes away with a steal. Wilson will lay it in.
20 na.
Yeah.
Para dito kay John Wilson.
Fast break of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. He had a game-winning shot here at the Inares Sports Arena. Ewan kung natatandaan mo, yung hop step to a layup.
Trademark John Wilson.
Yung pro hop, di ba?
Yes. JRU pa lang, napapanood ko na sa kanya yun eh.
Sa pagtukay na galaw kasi yun. I think it was 16, Signal Channel 21, Cable Link Channel 33, and DDT Channel 21 in Metro Manila. Mactalio, malakas yung tres. Grimaldo sa ilalim, dinukot na lang for 2.
Ito yung sinasabi ko, the intangibles that Kenneth Mocon brings.
Basilan on the run. Mactalio, 4-on-2 fast break, no look. Bobby Balucanag soars and scores.
One of the most explosive two-leg jumpers in the league.
Outlet pass broken up by Noel Santos.
That would have been a dunk for Bobby.
Rios could hit that from the corner, and he does. Rebound shot brought to you by the Extreme Water Protected Speakers. Dive into music with Extreme Speakers. Noel Santos on the run. Pasa ulit. Rios. Tatalbog paloob yung kanyang layup. No-look pass. Makoy off the dribble. Kumingkayat lang si Jason Grimaldo with a one-hander.
Dito, peak level pa rin, pero pasok pa rin yan para kay Jason Grimaldo.
Janjan Salazar finally gets one from the corner. 12-point lead. Mocon finally gets a field goal. That's where he met Coach Chris Kalilan and blew them away. He remembered hitting twice back-to-back triples.
They kind of slowed down. I think they kind of felt comfortable when they got the big lead, but Imos all of a sudden is trying to turn things around. That's a beautiful two-man game between Wilson and Montuano for John Wilson, but he knows that he can take it and make it.
Marquez, short jumper, that trickles in.
2 points in the first half. Etong si Balong.
Nakaagaw pa siya dito. Wilson. Parang volleyball block yun. Ano man tawag sa kanya ngayon? Ano man tawag sa kanya eh? Ang angas something.
Wow, hit off the back. Ito si Mark Montuano.
Yeah.
Yung sila knockout play ni Jordan.
Winning 5 titles there. And nung tumagal-tagal, malalakas na rin yung mga nakalaban nila. They had a team from Bicol. Ang Bobby Balucanag nakuha yung rebound. Ralph Robin sliding in for 2.
Nakalimutan ko actually na one of the better NCAA players before
Yeah.
was Coach Tantan Banal.
Pasa na Agaw. Skips it to Janjan Baltasar. Wala. Palukanag, look out! He takes flight and scores.
I'm always impressed by the way he jumps with that two legs.
Basilan still with a 13-point lead. Makoy Marcos, pumihit, lays it in on the other side.
Hindi ko alam kung natatawa siya dun sa tira eh. All laughs coming from JV.
Jordan Rios, swak naman yung tres. Hamon is free on the other side. Still no go. Marquez, the pitch ahead. Rios tumingin pa. Balukanag, sending that back to the friend zone. Dapat first pipe na yun eh. Si Asco, kausap lang si Juden. Layup. Galing kay Mark Montuano.
Part of that championship team that lost against Pampanga.
Saan doon siya pinakatumagal eh, sa Bacoor. Janjan Salazar sneaks his way through. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Bocon putting some arc into that shot.
Sorry, miss for Joe Gracia. 2-on-1 na yun. Pero maiksi rin itong pasa ni John Wilson.
Parang second time na nangyari sa kanya yan. Kung first up, meron din siyang ganyan. Marquez, pasok yan, galing sa tres. Marquez, another one. Short. Talio the rebound. 3-on-2 fast break. Talio gliding in. Lays it in on the right side.
We talked about this in the third quarter, the open court, the comfort zone of Mac Talio.
Salazar buries a free. And after 3 straight losses, that upset win against Jensen and following it up with this victory over Imos, they are now at 7 wins and 7 losses. So mention to John Wilson again being the top scorer today with 24 points. But our best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Chipping in was Ken Mocon for Basilan.
Well, really everything that you needed from him. Itong si Kenneth Mocon, he was able to provide. He was the guy who really started that defense in